Hello and welcome to our instructional video on simplifying the integer exponent problem 2 raised to the power of 6. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to simplify this exponent expression. So let's get started. Step 1. Evaluate the exponent. The expression 2 to the power of 6 means multiplying the number 2 by itself repeatedly, a total of 6 times. So you write 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2. This equals 64 because 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. Then 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. Then 8 multiplied by 2 equals 16. Then 16 multiplied by 2 equals 32. And finally, 32 multiplied by 2 equals 64. Therefore, 2 to the power of 6 simplifies to 64. Step 2. State the final result. We have found that 2 to the power of 6 equals 64. This tells us that when you multiply the number 2 by itself 6 times, you get 64. In this step, we ensure that our answer is in its simplest form. Since 64 is a whole number, there is no need to simplify it further into a fraction. Therefore, the integer exponent problem of 2 to the power of 6 simplifies to 64. This is the final step in solving this problem. The answer is 64. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.